What's up? Hey, and welcome again to another Kikuyu lesson with I, Teacher Martin. Thank you for your continued support. Yeah, and today we are just going to check into some words that we use in the kitchen, and the kitchen we said is called rikoine. Rikoine. You can see the word somewhere here. Yeah, here. Rikoine. Riko is the cooker. Rikoine is where the cooker stays. So rikoine is just mean the kitchen. Yeah, with I, Mwalimu Martin, Teacher Martin. And I know that we are going to learn something good. So let's start with some words that are used in the kitchen, especially in the village. So the first word is go. Go. You can see this word, go. Go. Go is firewood. The next word is kahio. 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 Kahio is knife. Ro, hi, o, ro, hi, o, rohio. That is a panga. Ge, shi, ko. Geshiko is spoon. Ge, shu, gi is the sieve. Then we have shu, fa. That is a bottle. Ma, ja, ni, tea leaves. Ka, ho, a, coffee. Kahoa is coffee. Majani, tea leaves. Shufa, bottle. Geshugi, sieve. Geshiko, spoon. Rohio, panga. Kahio, knife. Go, firewood. And we have the last word, which is ge, to, go, ro. Ge, to, go, ro. Ge, to, go, ro is onions. Good. So I want you to go and find out what are these in English. The first word is ge, ta, ro, ro. Ge, ta, ro, ro. The other word is ke, odo, ke, odo. Ye, kafo, ge, kafo. Go, ni, a, gonia. So in the comment section, I want you to tell me what these are in English. Okay, we are in the class, so you have some assignment here and there. Let's make some sentences using the words that we have just learned. The first sentence: negereria, negereria, roko, mwaki, oyo, do, ka, hore. Negereria, roko, mwaki, oyo, do, ka, hore. This is a person telling you to give them firewood. Negereria is bring it near to me. So he's saying, bring that firewood near to me so that mwaki, fire, should not go off. Give me, bring that firewood so that this fire doesn't go out. Good. The next sentence: rehe. Rehe is bring. Kahio, knife. Todije, slaughter. Goko, hen. Eno, this. Mure, eat. So you sing rehe, kahio, todije, goko, eno, mure. Bring the knife so that you can slaughter this hen so that you can eat it. Oya. Oya is lift or take. Lift, take, they all have the same word, oya. Rohio, panga. Odie, and go. Ogatuire, and cut. and cat maybe napier grass or such. Ng'ombe, cow. Oya rohio uthi ugatuire ng'ombe. Oya rohio uthi ugatuire ng'ombe. Take the paga, go fetch maybe napier grass for the cow. Tiga korea gima na giciko. Tiga stop. Korea eat. Gima ugari. Giciko spoon. So he's telling this person stop eating ugari with a spoon. Oya take gishugi sieve. Oshuge sieve chai. Take the sieve and maybe filter the tea leaves from the tea. Shufa, yeah, shufa is bottle. Yeah, for iria milk. Moraigire, where did you put? Ko, where? So he is asking, where did you put the milk bottle? The last one is Dugera. Dugera is cook for me. Kahoa, coffee. Na dogekere iria. Dogekere is do not put. Iria is milk. So this person is telling this person to give to prepare coffee for him and not put milk. Dugera kahoa na dogekere iria. Dugera kahoa na dogekere iria. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Here it's about 2:34 a.m. in the morning. I'm doing this because of your support. I'm doing this so that you can learn Kikuyu and so that we can grow together. Continue subscribing, bring more and more viewers, bring more subscribers so that we can grow this channel and continue learning Kikuyu together, all to the glory and honor of God. So have the best time. Here in Kenya we have a long holiday of 5 days. May God bless you and may God of peace protect you and may his peace reign upon your life. See you in another one. Bye bye for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.